Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Welcome back to the official YouTube channel of TK's Online Academy. Dear viewers, let's pick up the momentum from there where we left in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about up to question number 5, exercise 2.1. In this very session, we are going to discuss question number 6. We have a question: 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. In solution, we copy our question as it is. So I write 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Then moving on the next step, which implies 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. We do multiplication here. 8x plus 4 is 3 into x is 3x. Then we multiply 3 by 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 1 are 3. Then we have a plus 7. Then, my dear friends, we can put the variables at one side and constants to the other side. 8x minus 3x is equal to minus 3 plus 7 my plus 4. When we shift it on this side, it becomes minus 4. What we get: 8x minus 3x is 5x is equal to, first we try to solve these two numbers, plus 7 minus 3, plus minus is minus. When we subtract 7 from 3, so we get 4, and sign remains positive because the bigger number here is 4. The sign in front of a bigger number is positive, so we will kept positive sign in front of 4. And now we are remaining with minus 4. Then moving on the further, we can write 5x equal to 4 minus 4 equal to 0. So we have come to the result 5x equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of x. This 5 is in multiplication. When it shifts to this side, it goes into the divide. So we can write x equal to 0 divided by 5. Then we are aware of the fact that 0 divided by any number is 0. So we have arrived at our solution, that is the value of x equal to 0. Now we have to check our solution, whether our solution is wrong or right. So in order to check our solution, we have to again write our question, that is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So moving on the next step, in place of 8 we put 0 here, that is 8 multiply by 0 plus 4 is equal to 3 into, in place of x we put 0. 0 minus 1 plus 7. Then solve the further. 8 into 0, it is 0, plus 4. On the left hand side we are arrived at only 4, and on the right hand side 3. We first solve the bracket. 0 minus 1, it is minus 1, then plus 7. Then moving on the further step, we have arrived at the situation 4 equal to, plus minus is minus, 3 1 are 3, it is minus 3 plus 7. Then 4 is equal to, I can change the order of the numbers by commutative property. I have written here first 7, then minus 3, this is 1 and a same thing. Then moving further, 4 equal to, when I subtract 7 from 3, I get 4. So most welcome, 4 is equal to 4. This means LHS equal to RHS, and checked. This means the solution which we have find is correct. I hope you have understood this question. Now moving on the part number 7. Part number 7, I have posed here a question. The question is x is equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. So in the first step, as I already told you, write the question as it is. So question is x equal to 4 by 5 multiplied by x plus 10, which is within the brackets. So by doing cross multiplication, 5 into x is 5x, 4 into x plus 10, I have arrived at this step. And then we move the further, 5x equal to 4, we multiply 4 with first x, that is 4 into x is 4x. Then we multiply again 4 with 10, that is 4 into 10 is 14. Then we transpose the terms, we put the variables at one side and the constants at the other side. Then we do the further calculations and ultimately we arrive at the solution. So my dear students, 5x plus 4x, when I shift to this left hand side, its sign changes. You are well aware about the fact this process is called transposition. So in the right hand side I have come up with only 14. When I subtract 5x and 4x, I get 1x, x equal to 40. This is my solution. Now let's check our solution, whether our solution is right and wrong. For checking, we first write our equation, write our question, that is x equal to 4 upon 5 into x plus 10. In place of x we put our value, that is 40, and then we move the further. Then we have, in place of x I have put 40, 4 by 5 it is as it is. In place of x I put 40 plus 50. Then moving on the next step, 40 is equal to 40, 4 by 5 it is as it is. Then I solve the bracket first, 40 plus 10 is 50. Then I do the cross multiplication, 5 1 are 5, 5 10 are 15. Moving on the next step, 40 equal to 4 into 10, it is 40. In denominator we have 1, 40 divided by 1 is 1. So most welcome, LHS equal to RHS, hence checked. Moving on, question number 8. We have a question, 2x plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x plus 15 plus 3. In solution we copy our question, that is 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Then we do the method of transposition, 2x by 3 we shift this term 7x by 15 to the left hand side with change in its sign, so we arrive at minus 7x by 15. Then 3 we again shift this one to the right hand side with change in its sign and it becomes minus 1. Then I find the LCM of 3 and 15. When we have aware about the fact, when now one number is the multiplication of the other, then the LCM comes to be the bigger number. So without doing much calculations, the LCM of 3 and 15 is 15, as it is a general property of an LCM. So I have find here LCM 15. Then I will find what should I multiply by 3 to get 15. Yes, you are right, we multiply 3 by 5, 3 into 5 is 15. Then and the number which we multiplied in the denominator should also be multiplied to the numerator. In denominator we have multiplied 3 into 5, that is 15. In numerator we should also multiply 2x into 5, that is 2 5 are 10. So we arrive at 10x minus 7x, because the denominator is 15. When we multiply 15 by 1 we get 15, and when we multiply 7x by 1 we get 7x. Then 3 minus 1 is 2, and we can put easily 1 here because 2 by 1 is 1. Then moving on the next step, we arrive at 10x minus 7x is 3x. 3x by 15 is equal to 2 by 1. Then again do the cross multiplication, 3x into 1 is 3x, 15 into 2 is 13. Then we cancel the things, 3 1 are 3, 3 10 are 13. Ultimately we arrive at our solution, that is x equal 10. Now we have to check our solution, whether our solution is true or false. So we write here equation, that is 2x plus 3. Now we have to check our result. We will first write the given equation, that is 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. In place of x we put 10, that is 2 into 10 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 into 10 divided by 15 plus 3. Then 2 into 10 is 20, 20 by 3 plus 1 is equal to 17 into 10 is 17, 70 divided by 15 plus 3. Then my dear students, we do the cross multiplication, 20 into 1 is 1, 3 plus 1 is 3, sorry, 20 into 1 is 20, 3 plus 1 is 3, divided by 3 1 are 3. Then moving on the right hand side, we first simplify this fraction. We cancel the things by 5 5 3 are 15, 5 1 are 5, this becomes 20, 5 4 are 14. So by simplifying this fraction, we write it 14 by 3 plus 3 by 1. Then again do the cross multiplication. 20 plus 3 is 23, divided by 3. Then again do the cross multiplication on the right hand side, that is 14 into 1 is 14, 3 into 3 is 9, 3 1 are 3. Then my dear students, moving further, 23 by 3, it remains as it is, we can't solve it further. Then 14 plus 9, it is 23, divided by 3. Then we have arrived at the situation LHS equal to RHS, hence checked. Then my dear students, moving on the question number 9. The question number 9 is 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. So in the solution, we first copy our question, that is displayed in your screen. Then 2y, it's a variable, and I transpose this minus y to this side, it becomes plus y. 26 by 3 is a constant, and I transpose this very function to the right hand side with change in its sign, that is minus 5 by 3. Then 2y plus y is 3y. I do the cross multiplication on the right hand side, that is there is no need to do the cross multiplication because the LCM denominators are same, most welcome. So I have directly written in the denominator 3. Then if you know that if denominators are same for two fractions, we copy the numerators as it is. So I copy numerator here, that is 26 minus 5. Then moving further, my dear students, 3y is equal to 26 minus 5 is 21, divided by 3. 3y, it comes down 3y, and then on the right hand side I cancel the things by 3. 3 1 are 3, 3 7 are 21. I have arrived at a situation 3y equal to 7. Then on the last step, we will arrive at our solution. 3 is in multiplication. When it transposed to this side, it goes into divide. So we have find the solution of y. We have find the solution of our equation, that is solution of y is 7 by 3. So we have to check our solution whether our solution is true or false. So doing the same funda, to in place of y we write 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3. In place of y we write 7 by 3. Then do the further calculation. 2 into 7 is 14, divided by 3 plus 5 by 3 is 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. Then on the LHS, do the cross multiplication. We simply write 3 as a denominator because the two fractions have the same denominator, and when the denominators have same, we copy the numerators. The numerator is 14 plus 5. On the right hand side, denominator is also same, most welcome. So we write the same denominator, that is 3, and we copy the things as it is, that is 26 minus 7. Then moving further, 14 plus 5 is 19, divided by 3, and 26 minus 7 is 19, divided by 3. LHS is equal to RHS, hence checked. So we are going to now discuss the last question of our exercise 2.3, that is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. First step is to copy the question. Then we move the like terms to the one side, that is, or I can write this like way, 5m minus 8 by 5 equal to 3m. It does not alter the equation, it does not affect the equation. Then 5m, I have transposed this 3m to the left hand side with change in its sign, that is, it becomes minus 3m, and I have also transported minus 8 by 5 to the right hand side with change in its sign. Then do the further calculations. 5m, when I subtract 5m and 3m, I get 2m equal to 8 by 5. Then then 2m equal to 8 by 5. I have to find the value of m, since this 2 is in multiplication. When I shift this 2 to this side, it goes into the division. So it became, I can write m equal to 8 by 5 divided by 2. I write the divide symbol like this, 2 by 1, because 2 by 1 is 2. Then moving further, m equal to 8 by 5. I change this division into multiplication sign, but this fraction gets reciprocal, so it becomes 1 upon 2. Then I do the cancellation crosswise. 2 1 are 2, 2 4 are 8. Then doing the multiplication, I arrive at my solution, that is m equal to 4 1 are 4, 5 1 are 5. So I have find the value of m, that is 4 by 5. Let's check whether our answer is correct or not. So for check, we write the equation as it is, or we write our question, that is our equation is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. In place of m, we put 4 by 5 in the given equation, that is 3 into 4 by 5 is equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Then then on the left hand side, we do the multiplication. 3 into 4 is 12 upon 5 equal to 5. We cancel 5 with 5. 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5. Then 4 1 are is 4, and 1 divided by 1, it becomes 4 by 1 minus 8 by 5. Moving further, the LHS, we down the LHS as it is, that is 12 by 5. On the right hand side, we do the cross multiplication, that is 5 into 4 is 20. The sign at the center is minus, so we put minus sign in the center. 8 into 1 is 8. Then we simply multiply the denominators, that's 5 into 1 is 5. Then 12 by 5 is equal to, when we subtract 20 and 8, we get 12 divided by 5. Most welcome. 12 by 5 equal 12 by 5. LHS equal to RHS, hence checked. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Do subscribe, hit the bell icon, so that you will never miss an update for incoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.